What is an indictment? An indictment is a formal legal document issued by a grand jury that accuses someone of committing a serious crime, such as a felony crime. What does that mean? One way the U.S. Constitution protects citizens' rights is through the grand jury system. The Fifth Amendment requires that a grand jury indict a person before they can be formally charged with a serious crime, like a felony. A grand jury is a group of citizens who are convened by a prosecutor to review and determine whether there is enough evidence to charge someone with a crime. The grand jury acts as a buffer between the state and the citizens accused of a crime, meant to prevent prosecutors from wielding excessive power. If they determine there is sufficient evidence, they issue an indictment. Prosecutors can then file that indictment with a federal court, which will initiate a criminal case. Worth noting, a grand jury indictment is not a guilty verdict. It indicates that there is sufficient evidence to warrant a trial, but it does not necessarily prove guilt. However, in the U.S. federal system, according to Pew Research Center analysis, 91.4% of federal indictments result in convictions, either through a guilty plea, where the accused admits guilt based on the evidence and facts presented, without going to trial, or as a trial outcome. The vast majority of federal cases end in plea deals, with only 2.3% going to trial. Only about 0.4% result in an acquittal, a trial judgment that the accused is not guilty of the crimes. In 2022, this amounted to 320 acquittals out of 79,704 cases.